In this episode, we'll learn 5 easy blended words that you probably hear every day. We'll show you how 2 words combine to form one useful term and explain how to use them in your conversations. Let's jump in and have fun learning. First up, we have the words heart and beat. Together, they form heartbeat, the regular sound of your heart as it pumps blood. For example, I could feel my heartbeat after running. This word is great for talking about how your heart works. Next, we combine the words cup and cake. Put them together and you get cupcake, a small, sweet cake baked in a cup-shaped mold. For example, she made chocolate cupcakes for the party. Perfect for describing delicious little treats. Now, take the words lap and top. Together, they make laptop, a portable computer that can sit on your lap. For example, I use my laptop to study and watch videos. A useful word when you're talking about computers on the go. For our next blend, we start with rain and drop. These words combine to form raindrop, a single drop of rain. For example, I felt the first raindrop on my hand before it started pouring. It's a fun way to talk about rain. Finally, we combine the words book and store. Together, they make bookstore, a place where you can buy books. For example, I visited the bookstore to find a new novel. A perfect word for book lovers. Now it's time to test your knowledge. Let's see how well you understand the meanings of the blended words we've covered. I'll give you a blended word, and you'll have to choose the correct definition from the options. Ready? Let's begin. What does raindrop mean? A small cloud. A single drop of rain. A type of storm. The correct answer is single drop of rain. What does laptop mean? A portable computer that sits on your lap. A top used for sitting. A large table. The correct answer is a portable computer that sits on your lap. What does bookstore mean? A storage space for books. A place where books are made. A place where books are sold. The correct answer, a place where books are sold. Thanks for watching this episode of WordCraft. If you enjoyed these simple blended words, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun vocabulary lessons. And don't forget to share your own word blends in the comments below.